Alright, so I'm trying something new on the Ford. I just put a set of PIA silicone windshield wipers on it. And they went on fine. They came with the right adapters. They came with all sorts of different adapters, but they had the right one for the truck. It came with this stuff. You got to clean the windshield and spread it on there and buff it off, and I did all of that. I haven't had a chance to use them yet. I'm sure they're going to be good. But what I noticed is, if you can see where this part of the arm goes over the wiper, see how it's in between those two little rubber pieces there? You know, that moves a little bit. That's how it has to be to lock it in. What I noticed is this is how it came. See how it's not locked in? So that could pull out backwards. So you got to push that there till it locks in, and now you're in good shape to go. So just a quick thought on if you install some really high-end silicone wiper blades, make sure you take a look at how that's held in, because it's got to be between those two little ridges in order for it to lock in properly.